Hello, today we are going to train your English voice with adjectives. Adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns, such as people, things, or places, or pronouns. An adjective can be an opinion or a fact. So have a look at the first sentence. It is a dog. Now have a look on the right. It is a small dog. Dog is the noun, and the word small describes that noun. So small is the adjective. That is my brother. That is my strong brother. Brother is the noun, and the word strong describes that noun. So strong is the adjective. She is a girl. She is a clever girl. The word clever describes the pronoun, describes she, the girl. So clever is the adjective. This is my house. This is my beautiful house. Beautiful is the adjective. I love my car. I love my new red car. Now we have two adjectives describing the noun, which is the car, and that is correct. We can have numerous adjectives describing one noun. Last one. Where is my suit? Where is my Italian suit? Italian is the adjective. There is a set order if more than one adjective is used for a noun or pronoun in a sentence. So the order is how big, how old, what color, where from, what it is made of. Now you don't have to have all those adjectives, but they need to be in that set order. So have a look at this sentence. It's a small, old brown watch. Small, how big? It's old, how old? And the color, brown. And these adjectives are describing the noun, a watch. You can also use adjectives in the following ways with be, get, become, and seem. So you can say, be careful. Are you getting hungry? The later it gets, the more tired I become. My boss seems angry, but he isn't. The words in blue are also adjectives. Excellent job with adjectives today. Well done. Goodbye.